Everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Chrysler Town & Country, and if you're looking for the perfect car for your family, you might want to consider the minivan that I have here today. It has leather heated seats, rear entertainment, third row seating, and tons more. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your Chrysler badge and that nice layered grille there with your halogen headlamps up front and fog lamps below. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels, lots of spokes on those wheels, and lots of tread on those tires. You have your chrome capped mirrors with the indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there is a vehicle in your blind spot. And you also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather and suede seats that are heated, super soft in the middle, and they are captain seats. You can fold up the armrest. Driver's side is power adjustable. And looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, cruise controls, and your media controls on the back. And looking over at your 6.5-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your media options here, radio options right there. With all of your presets, you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also have navigation on here, so you can put in an address, go to your destination using that map. And you have a backup camera, so you can see clearly behind your vehicle with your phone settings as well.
Uconnect phone ready.
So you can pair your phone with Bluetooth. You also have all of your other menu settings and everything on these pages, your audio settings, files. You also have a USB port, aux port, and your CD insert is behind the media center. Down below you have your climate controls. They are dual, and you have that LCD display. You have your heated buttons for your seats and your steering wheel right there. You also have your econ mode, hazards, 115 volt, and traction control. Then looking down in the center, lots of room. You have two 12 volts under there, two cup holders, and just lots of room. Then looking up, you have your buttons for your power sliding doors, so you can let your kids out for school in the mornings. You also have a mirror right there and your universal garage door openers. So let's take a look at the back. Okay, so looking at these back seats, you have quad seating. So two seats in the middle with an aisleway between to your third row, which has 3 seats in it. These 2 seats in the middle are heated. You have your heated buttons on your door, so you see that when the doors are closed. But you also have stow and go, so these seats can actually be folded down into the floor there, so you have some room down below. And you also have your 3 seats in the back there with on each side as well. Then looking up, you have your climate controls there and your rear entertainment system, so that's super nice to have, especially on long car rides, keep your kids happy and watching their movies. And then you have lots of storage compartments up top as well. Roof rack up top, lip spoiler in the back. You have your LED tail lamps and your limited badging. Let's take a look into the trunk. You also have a rear sensing system, which is really convenient as well. So this is a power liftgate. You have your button there. And what I love most about this third row is that it is powered as well. So if I just want to do the right side and stow the seats, all I have to do is press a button and it will stow right into the ground there. And then you have lots of room in the back, and again, you can do one side or the other, so it's really convenient to give you the amount of space that you need in the vehicle. So overall, perfect for a big family or just someone who needs a lot of space. I love how the seats are easily, folded down and everything to give you lots of room, plus that rear entertainment system. You have your media center. And so if you want to see this Chrysler Town & Country or any of our other minivans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.